Life is a whirlwind. Between juggling work, family and a social life, it's easy to feel run down. That's where the soothing ritual of tea comes in. A steaming mug is more than just a beverage. It's a moment to pause, breathe and nourish your body from within. Imagine the sun rising, casting a warm glow on a new day. Your morning cup, bursting with invigorating flavors, sets you up with energy and focus. As the day winds down, a comforting evening blend infused with calming ingredients prepares you for a restful night. These aren't just any teas, these are healing elixirs, crafted from nature's finest ingredients. We'll explore a recipe that does double duty, perfect for both morning and evening, with simple tweaks to match your needs. Get ready to embark on a journey of flavor and well-being. Our recipe calls for a symphony of flavors, each ingredient chosen for its potent health benefits. Garlic, don't let its pungent aroma fool you. Garlic is a powerhouse of antioxidants known for its immune-boosting and anti-inflammatory properties. Turmeric. This golden spice is a true wonder, celebrated for its ability to reduce inflammation and ease joint pain. Its active compound curcumin is a potent antioxidant. Onion, close relative of garlic. Onion shares its immune-boosting properties. It's also a good source of prebiotics, which promote gut health. Ginger. This warming spice is famous for its ability to soothe nausea and aid digestion. It also boasts anti-inflammatory benefits. Cinnamon. With its warm, comforting flavor, cinnamon adds a touch of sweetness while helping to regulate blood sugar levels and boost brain function. Guava leaves. These tropical leaves are packed with antioxidants and are known to support digestion and boost heart health. Together, these ingredients create a tea that's not only delicious but also supports your overall well-being. Let's move on to see how easily this healing elixir comes together. Making this tea is a breeze. Gather your ingredients. You'll need 1 clove garlic, crushed 1-inch piece turmeric, sliced, 1/4 onion, chopped, 1-inch piece ginger, sliced, 1 cinnamon stick, a handful of fresh guava leaves and 4 cups of water. Combine and simmer, add all ingredients to a pot of water. Bring to a boil, then reduce heat and simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld. Strain and serve. Strain the tea into a mug, discarding the solids. Your healing elixir is ready. For your morning cup, add a squeeze of lemon for an invigorating boost. In the evening, a drizzle of honey adds a touch of sweetness and promotes relaxation. This tea is delightful on its own, but feel free to experiment with other flavors. A sprig of fresh mint adds a refreshing touch, while a slice of orange lends a citrusy aroma. To intensify the flavors, lightly bruise the ginger, turmeric and garlic before adding them to the pot. For a stronger brew, simmer the ingredients for a longer time. Store any leftover tea in a sealed container in the refrigerator for up to 2 days. Remember, this recipe is a starting point. Don't hesitate to explore and add your own personal touch. Try incorporating other herbs and spices like cardamom, cloves or star anise. The possibilities are endless, so go ahead, embrace the art of tea brewing and enjoy the journey to a healthier, happier you.